Hi guys, I'm back, and I have got a very old typewriter. Don't know what year it came out. How do you spell your name?
Kieran.
Kieran. I'll put M. Thing is, you can't actually delete the letter, so.
What's the backspace thing for then?
What?
Or isn't that a backspace?
That bit?
No, yeah, that one.
Oh, that bit? Oh, it's just good.
What's that?
Was that the phone or this?
That was not the phone.
That was this one.
Sorry, I'm having a dang angle. You got. Ew.
Oh!
Are you just doing random words? No? Okay, cool. I'm going on Lego Batman in a bit. Are you done?
Yep.
Good.
Alright, here we go. Ow! Paper cut. I put. What? It's what I put. Look, literally, you can't see it because you type so fast. Kieran really smells of poo. He is rubbish at spelling. He cannot spell. Focus. There you go.